Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my December 2021 Witch's Bounty box. Let's check it out. The Winter's Bounty, Fortuna. Beautiful artwork, love it. Alright, we've got a candle here. I need to sharpen my knife. It is brown. We've got some incense here. Cinnamon, very nice. We've got a oil here. Fast Luck, very nice. Ooh, and it smells good. I like condition oils. I have been starting to collect them. We've got a necklace. We have some kind of stone here. We'll come back to that. All right, let's see what beauty we have this month. It came out of its holder. Hi! Lord have mercy. It's an old coin. Sterling silver pendant, black spinel, ancient Roman coin. Very, very cool. I love coins. Let's check out. Let's read this. In an ever-changing world, we strive to maintain our ability to bring prosperity and abundance into our lives. This does not only include material gain, but simply the amount of blessings received, whether through emotional support, relationships, or lucky experiences. Through spell work and the unique balance between consistent effort and an undying trust in our universal stance, we can foster an energy that is always open and inviting to prosperous energies. In addition, a true love for giving back, showing gratitude, and making a difference in the lives of others can greatly represent another form of abundance on our path. In this unique and long-awaited collection, we work with a very special group of tools to bring prosperity into our lives, as well as casting our intentions into the deep well of gratitude we have for the blessings received. So, ancient Roman coin with black spinel and silver. Within the hand-forged style silver casing it sits in, an ancient Roman coin dated from 80 to 200 AD, making this unique piece roughly 1800 to 2000 years old. These unique coins were common. This coin was found within a group of many coins in Eastern Europe. Ancient Roman coins gave the modern world a foundation of currency and became an example of what exchange could potentially represent. These unique coins are commonly stamped and were rarely found with a perfectly centered image. It is truly amazing to be able to hold such a small piece of history in our hands that once attributed to the sustainability of civilization. This would represent a token of prosperity and abundance. Fortuna would become the goddess of fate and fortune, personifying luck and goodwill, and allow this to be a token of her blessings. Black spinel is one of the rarest to find gemstones. Little thorn. From Latin it's little thorn, and from Greek it's sparkle. A stone of victory, it's known for its immense ability to push the bearer through challenges and difficult tasks. Very cool. So let's take a little, so you can really see a little spinel. And a coin face. Very cool. Alright, Fast Luck Magical Anointing Oil. I'm in love with condition oils lately. Opening your aura to receive blessings throughout each day. It has lemongrass, ginger, sweet orange, almond, cedarwood, as well as oils, as well as basil and bay herbs. and Lumarian mini quartz and some other oils from their cabinet of witchery. So cool. Cinnamon ritual incense sticks. Revitalize and stimulate the energy around you. You can use it during prosperity and vitality rituals. And then, so that's this. We'll put it back in here. We have the Gratitude Spell Candle. Hand rolled with the intention of providing time to review the blessings you have received. And rough and lucite stone. To accompany on your path, we included a piece of rough and lucite stone, known to carry within it the heartbeat of the earth. Very calming and consistent stone, offering protection on your path and grounding on your journey. Fortuna Book of Shadows artwork. Got a little necklace here. Beautiful artwork. And that is it for the Witch's Bounty Box. Always a delight. I love that coin. That's very, very cool. And I'm going to leave the link in the description below. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.